I got a tempered plate carrier. Leave it here.
Where you at?
You raggedy bitch.
Why are you watching? Why are you looking at it?
I wasn't. I was swapping. I was trying to hold this so you could have it.
Oh, you want it back? I'll take it back.
Here. Oh,
Yeah, here, you can have it back.
I was trying to bring you. I'm done. That's all I think about is helping y'all out.
What
And
you
y'all
trying to
shit
do?
on me.
That's all I think about. It's just helping you out.
I didn't have a dead silence. It was a gold gas mask, you twat.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That's what you
Don't
want.
worry
Yeah.
about it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Give it to Hugh. He likes dying in gas.
Just buy one, bro. You got like $25,000.
I'm gonna try to invest this into something better.
Just buy a UAV and a gas mask.
I already have a UAV.
Buy a munitions box, please.
Yeah, I'll buy one. If somebody buy yourself a gas mask and self-reses.
I'm gonna buy.
I'm buy self-res. Self-res.
You want a loadout marker or no?
No, we have our loadout, bro. I don't need a loadout bomb.
Okay.
Buy yourself a gas mask, though.
I got one. I'll throw this down though.
Throw what down? I'll carry that.
Oh, I know what I wanted to buy. My other gun.
How did you? You bought everything but your secondary.
Oh, I got my secondary. I wanted the new one I just built.
Oh.
Look at how fast this. Dude, check this out. Watch this. Look at this. Watch how fast this bitch rolls up. Woo.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I still can't believe you freaking
Do you have a
rocking an
self-res?
RPG.
Do you have a self-res?
Yeah, I bought one.
Okay.
Buy a
'cause I
self-res
got
pistol.
I got a self-res pistol.
Okay, yeah. Alright, where are we going, boys?
I don't care, man. I got a rocket launcher, bro. We just sit in a corner again. Dude, I'm gonna break this. I'm gonna break this meta, bro. You don't understand how pissed off I get.
Getting sniped at from up the hill or shot at.
Oh, I see him. They're right in front of us. Yeah. We're gonna have to rotate out of here, so we're gonna have to have a vehicle.
But it's one guy. One guy.
Yeah, let's just go get him. Let's get on the vehicle. Get on the vehicle and go get him.
He's sitting right there on the front corner of the fence. Pushing back.
There's always like one guy, but it's like 17.
Yeah, it might be a whole team. Who gives a shit? Let's go.
I know, it's just one guy. No, dude, we gotta sit in the corner, bro. Find a build. Oh, how many people is that? Like more than one to me.
I'm fucking dying over here.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, Joy. How are you? Well.
Killer right here by me.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's sick for
Right here, bro.
Oh,
He's one shot.
where? Oh, I see him.
Well, have to fight to earn redeployment. Exactly. I fall for.
I think one's in my building.
Friday. You became jealous. You became a sodium because these people energy or our planet got verbalize and the con I where's my note? They're called yeah. Why technology and
You're
not
done. We're sending you back to base.
honestly? Can check. Well,
Our UAV is orbiting the area.
I need a buyback.
Old team here, Sleazy. Looks
Is
like
my
we can
ship-
rotate in
is
the
my
village.
ship still there?
Yeah. Looks like we can
Over here.
rotate in the village if we go down this then. Sleazy.
Where?
Village.
Oh, go to village. Yeah, we gotta
Go
go.
to-
Wait for you.
We go to the west end of village. There's only one team over there. Back there where the smoke is.
Yeah, but they have a. Yeah, I think we rotate. You ready, Hugh?
You move to the safe zone
Yeah.
now.
You got your stuff here?
Yep.
You need munitions box and everything?
I got one.
Yeah.
I'll buy a self rest.
Buy it. Yeah, buy self rest. Alright, let's go. Poaching.
And I'm gonna buy plates.
I got plates.
hey, it's Jeremy.
I don't have.
How are
I
you?
need a smoke though.
I got smoke here.
Just on Tuesday. So feel free.
Hostile UAV active.
Uh oh.
Hostile UAV in the sector.
All right. There.
I should have bought a UAV.
Overhead.
Like I can
Damn it.
come to your
Oh well.
place.
We need one of those.
Yeah, we need one of those.
Gentlemen, and give me the option.
Come to you, killer.
Well,
Come on with it. I'm about to throw us a buy station up top.
Okay.
Friendly buy station deployed.
You know how to get
How
over
do we
here?
get up?
Watch this.
No. Cool. Thank you.
Somebody shot down our buy station.
Okay. You're by yourself, killer.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Friendly buy station is ready.
You just bought back somebody on it.
Yep.
I think we should just
He's got to be in the gas station, no?
No, I've just seen him over here somewhere.
I see him. He's right here.
Oh, he just bought back. There's a team right below me. Careful. He's in the window. He's
Team
in
in
that
that building
window.
over there.
Yeah, he's in the window
Yep.
right there. He's stuck right there. RPG it, please.
I want to break this meta, bro. You have no idea.
In the sector.
So stupid.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Oh god, that was too good. Dude, he's upset, bro. He was upset. Where you at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
I'm just behind.
Where? Ping, ping, ping.
I don't know. I just got looked at for like a half second behind.
Y'all kill those guys in there?
I killed
Yeah.
2, yeah.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
You killed
Team
2.
wipe or no?
No.
No.
Your
They-
team
they
is
were-
in the safe zone.
They were
Behind
upset.
us somewhere?
Friendly UAV.
Oh, what? Right here. Yep, told you.
I see him. He's right below me. Where is he?
Need help.
Another
Need help.
one.
Smoke me.
Jump down if you can.
I can't. Fucking bitch. They were on the next building behind.
I guess, no.
Drop me your money, please, or go buy 'em. Yep.
Can you smoke that building so I give a shit?
Yeah.
Behind me, on me.
Is it above you? Or with you?
He's on me, I think. I don't know. I thought I could smoke you. Okay, I'm in here. I can smoke you.
I downed the dude over there in that other building.
I'm gonna shot from behind. From the
hill?
observatory. From observatory on the hill.
Dang it.
I can't. I don't know where.
Gas inbound.
Man,
Top building.
he's hit me.
Located.
Yeah, he's hit me.
Less than 50 enemies.
I'll provide shit down here. Medic vest.
Okay.
We got that other
Yes,
team
ma'am.
pushing over. That other team pushing over.
What other team from pushing over where? Your comms
Right here.
are shit. You.
Gotcha.
There you go.
gotcha. Yeah, because I was thinking observatory. I'm right behind you.
We need to get up here. No.
Yeah. There's a guy right here on 1.
Team right here. Yep.
Yep,
Yep.
yep.
Alright, I'm pushing over the zip line going up.
Killer, I'm with you.
Somebody's here. Somebody's here at this building.
Your team has entered the safe zone.
Oh, we got a team behind us too, bro. Right at the gas
I'm in this
station.
building. I'm in
Right here. The door. Res. There's a team at the gas station.
Friendly airstrike on the way.
You watch that door, I'll watch this door.
Yeah. Ooh, don't go outside, man.
Dropping into the AO.
Load up. Buy station.
Mhm.
Gas station.
Oh, no way. No way you did that.
Oh, another team there.
I'm getting looked at your way, killer.
Flying in.
Yeah, he must be flying in or something. I see.
I need a munitions box.
Got one.
You do?
He's right here.
Yep.
He's right here.
Made the top 25. Nicely done.
I have a self-revive also. Dropping it. Get you munitions. I'm gonna drop a plate box also.
I got it.
Where you at, Sleazy?
I'm coming.
You get a self-revive?
No, I'm coming. I'm coming. Crap.
No.
Okay, I got it.
Thank
You can
you.
drop it. You can drop it.
Down the hillside right here.
I see
Just
him.
watch the
Up right here.
doorway. Yep, just watch the doorway.
He's weak right here. He's weak. In the smoke. Got him. Good job.
Another one up there.
And a five.
No one's watching behind us, bro?
Nope.
Nah, we don't need to see that.
Kinda think we do.
I kinda think we do.
Yep, we got somebody on the roof behind us. Fucking motherfucker.
Got him. I can buy him back. I'm buying back.
No,
Somebody
don't
else
do
is
it,
there.
dude.
Somebody else is there. Somebody's in your building, Hugh. Outside, just pushing the bottom floor, Hugh.
On me.
Smoke you.
Thanks. On the hillside.
Throw plates on that dude right there.
I got a munitions box for you, Hugh, if you need it. Do you need munitions box, bro?
Oh, self-res right
Somebody's
here.
still here. Did you get the guy that was here?
No.
Yeah, I got the guy that was here that killed you.
A gas station.
In the gas station.
Broke that dude right there.
Behind the
Behind us?
munitions box behind you. Munitions box behind you, bro, for your ammo. On the gas station, bro. If you throw the gas station, if you have to go over here.
Right here.
Gas station again. Right below us. There's a right below us too. Right below us. Hugh, coming up,
Yep.
coming below. I'm getting it. Oh man, right below us. Oh, sorry, bro. Right below us. Ooh, who did that? Still you're by yourself, bro?
Oh no.
Finish the mission.
Two of them in that building I died in.
Right here, bro. On me. One pushed through the gas. Yeah, the gas push again. There's two above you. Two above. Three above. Oh, and he's got a stealth vest. Just killing him. Jump down. Yeah! Fucking rocket
Oh.
launcher, bitch!
Oh my god.
You
Oh
almost
my god,
got
my
killed by
heart's
your,
pounding.
you almost got killed by your gas mask animation.
Yeah, I did.
Bro,
Oh my
take
god.
back anything you said about the RPG. Take it back.
Oh
right
my
now.
gosh. Look at
Take
that.
it back right
Yeah.
now.
We won.
I had 8 kills that game.
Oh, my heart is beating. Oh my gosh, I couldn't save it. I can't save it.
What is it? Alt Z?
Yeah, something like that.